And I'm Lacey.
And we are the Reyes brothers.
We are Reyes brothers.
So you guys, what are you doing today?
We are doing beaker features.
What's in the box?
Look. Mommy, what this?
It's a volcano.
What this? A button and you close it like I opened it. I'll show you, Krista. And
I'm gonna open it.
I hold you.
Don't they need water or something?
Yeah. Need water and put it in here.
This is a lava. And
This is volcano.
that's volcano.
What you gonna do with it?
Now we put it in the volcano.
And
What's in
we
the bag?
do this.
And then we open this.
Yeah. And put some water in here. The water comes down. And explosions. And open that. Put some more water. And do some feature you put in there. And that's it.
Legacy, what you got?
Cars, we do mention, we will do that
Let me see it.
right there. All the ingredients are put in the lava. Think so we need to put that guy and then lava and
We don't even need the instructions.
You don't need the instructions. You got this?
Yeah, we got it, we drew.
The
Wait,
Science Brothers got this?
Yeah, we bought it. Science.
No.
Water.
Some water.
Put some water in it.
What is that? Wow. Lexi, what do you have?
I have water.
Okay, you guys ready for the explosion?
Yeah, I do that.
Half Legacy, half Ricky.
Come on. Get out here.
That's it. Whoa, good. Put down. Whoa.
Oh my goodness. let Legacy go.
Okay. You do all of it. Do all of it. Do all of it. All of it.
Oh my goodness.
It's a creature.
Wow.
What is that? Creature. I'm a duck. I'm a duck. Ricky. Thanks for watching the Rain Brothers. Like and subscribe to our channel.
Now it's time to dump this out. Rain Brothers.
The bottle.